Hey guys, today we're going to talk about counting pennies and nickels. Remember that our penny is this copper coin. It is our smallest coin. It's worth 1 cent. And then we have our nickel. Remember, our nickel is that middle-sized coin. It is worth 5 cents. So today we're going to count with nickels and pennies. When we count pennies, they're very simple because we all just know how to count by ones, and pennies we just count by ones. So if I was going to count this group of coins, I'm going to count just using ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 pennies. That means I have 10 cents. I bring out my next group of pennies. I'm going to count these. And notice as I count that I arrange the coins in straight lines. It kind of helps you stay organized when you're trying to count those coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I have 18 cents. So remember, counting pennies, super easy because it's just 1 cent. And so we count by ones, which we do every day. Pennies are easy. Next, we're going to work on counting nickels. When we count nickels, we count them by fives. So let's just practice counting by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, $1. Remember when we were in class and we would count money, instead of saying 100, we would always say $1 if we were working with money. I'm going to bring out some nickels, and we're going to count our nickels to find out how much we have. Remember that when we count these nickels, we're going to count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So I have 45 cents in this group of nickels. Let's try another one. Five, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. 70 cents. If you notice, I've been moving the coins as I've been working. If you have coins at home and you want to use those to help you with your assignment, that would be great. You could get your nickels and your pennies and you could use those to help you count. If you don't and you need to move something like I've been moving and dragging, grab some other objects that you could use and use those to count by fives. Next, we're going to try to count a mixed group. So we're going to have some nickels and some pennies. So remember that I start with my largest coin when I want to count. It makes it much easier. So I'm going to start counting with my nickels. Remember, I count my nickels by fives. When I get to the pennies, I'm going to switch and start to count by ones. So my brain has to remember to switch to counting by ones after my last nickel. Let's try it. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, switch to ones. 31, 32, 33, 34. So I have 34 cents in this group of coins. Let's try one more. Okay, so remember I'm going to start with my nickels. I'm counting those by fives and the pennies by ones. My brain has to switch when I switch to pennies. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. So I have 43 cents in that group of coins. Today for your assignment, you will be working with counting nickels and pennies as well as playing a math game to help get you ready.